Get golden results when you fry with the Hamilton Beach Professional Style 4.5 liter divided by 4.75 quart oil capacity deep fryer. Inspired by commercial fryers, this home version features an immersed heating element that makes the oil heat faster before and during use. The adjustable temperature control, ready light, and Audible timer let you easily master the art of frying. Avoid splatters by monitoring cooking through the view window. Breakaway power cord prevents the fryer from tipping over if the cord is snagged. Here are the key features of Hamilton Beach Professional Style Electric Deep Fryer. Professional Style Deep Frying at Home. Professional Style Deep Fryer lets you cook your favorite crispy snacks quickly and easily. Plenty of room. Includes one extra large basket with 4.5 liter divided by 4.75 quart oil capacity. Immersed heating element for fast heating and cooking. Adjustable temperature with power and ready lights. Have easy control over heating with adjustable temperature and know when oil is hot and ready to use with ready light. Safety features. Avoid splatters by monitoring cooking through the view window. Breakaway cord prevents the fryer from tipping over if the cord is snagged. Easy to assemble. Parts and pieces are easy to assemble and remove for quick, easy cleaning. 19 cups, 4.7 quarts oil capacity. Large oil capacity cooks up to 12 cups of favorite fried foods at one time. Less mess, splatter-free frying. Use vented lid while frying to avoid splatters with this professional style deep fryer. Watch cooking through the view window and lid. Basket with hook for easy, mess-free draining. Large chrome-plated basket. This professional style deep fryer includes one large chrome-plated basket with hooks for easy dry veining. Easy cleaning. Heating element removes for easy cleaning. Enamel-coated oil tank, lid and basket are dishwasher safe. Fast at-home restaurant quality cooking. Make restaurant-style foods in minutes right in your own kitchen. Skip takeout and long lines. The powerful 18-watt immersed heating element fries your favorite foods quickly and evenly. Convenient and safe. A breakaway cord prevents the fryer from tipping over if the cord is snagged. Avoid splatters with this professional-style deep fryer by monitoring cooking through the view window. Absolute temperature control. Adjustable temperature dial from 265 degF to 375 degF. Ready light lets you know your oil is at the optimum heat to get flawless cooking results.